Stand up for me. Yeah.
Don't hit me in the pills, baby. Go on with your bad self. Sleepy.
You're too tired to act like a monkey.
Ow! Just bit me. Hey. She thinks it's funny. You think it's funny to bite me?
Oh, there she goes. Oh. There's our little stander. Well. Here we go.
Celebrates the best in comics, fantasy, sci-fi, and horror over my dead body. Or hers.
There's our big girl standing. Say hi. Say hi. Yeah. So there she is. There's our big girl standing all by herself. Daddy's not touching her.
Well, she's leaning against me, but she's standing.
She's standing. She's dancing. Whoa, there she goes. Yep. There's our girl.
Has to be on the couch, though.
Has to be on the couch. Well, she did it at daycare today. And it wasn't on the couch.
She was holding on to the sink.
She pulled herself up.